After the pro-hormone ban in 2009 and the Designer Anabolic Steroid Act of 2014, or DASCA, just about every effective test booster, anti-estrogen, and effective product that was available was made illegal by the FDA and government. That is until now. Thanks to a very specific loophole found in DASCA, Gaspari Nutrition is excited to finally have an effective and powerful anti-estrogenic test booster, Novedex XT. The loophole we exploited to be able to offer you the most powerful product on the market is the fact that the compound known as dihydroepitestosterone and its metabolites are exempt from scheduling laws. Novedex XT takes advantage of this by incorporating 3 of nature's most powerful anti-estrogens ever found in nature. So powerful, in fact, the science shows that the active ingredients found within my new Novedex XT are superior to formastane, ATD, and even 6-oxo. Clinical research studies show that these ingredients will be able to increase bioavailable testosterone to greater heights than any other testosterone booster on the market, while simultaneously slashing estradiol in just the first week of usage. Novedex XT is more powerful than any anti-estrogen and testosterone booster. However, the first ingredient in the formula has been shown to produce a potent metabolite known as 4,6-testosterone, which has been shown to bind to the androgen receptor and induce androgenic effects similar to the way that many prohormones and androgens work, all without causing HPTA suppression. This means you'll see real gains without the unwanted shutdown. The second ingredient in this breakthrough formula is a revolutionary new aromatase inhibitor that works to decrease circulating levels of estrogen in the body. It's commonly referred to as a suicidal aromatase inhibitor, which means that it irreversibly stops your aromatase enzyme from being able to convert your testosterone into estrogen. What truly sets it apart is its Chi value, or how strongly it attached to the aromatase enzyme. And this one showed superior binding affinity over all other AIs tested. Just 2 tablets a day, one when you wake up and one 8 to 12 hours later, is all you need to eliminate estrogen and get your testosterone levels to new heights. If you're looking to increase natural testosterone and increase lean muscle mass to new heights, go to your local stores or websites for Novedex XT.